Your desktop will look like this. Subscribe to PC Tutorials for more cool themes. So firstly, right-click on your desktop and hide your desktop icons. Now, we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link. Now download the Rainmeter from here. Navigate to the second link and download the Green Forest Drive file. Now go to the third link and download the Google Drive file. Navigate towards the fourth link and download Wallpaper from this website. After downloading all these files, you have to navigate to the Downloads folder. Now, right-click on the wallpaper and set it as your desktop background. Now install the Rainmeter as shown. Now, this Rainmeter has some default skins, so unload all of them. Navigate to Downloads and install the Rainmeter skin. Now extract the downloaded drive file. Now open the extracted drive folder. Copy these files. Go to the Documents. Then Rainmeter, Skins folder. Now paste it here. Go to the taskbar tray and open Rainmeter from here. Now refresh it. Now load and set all the skins as shown in the video. Download and install the Urban Jungle font if your font is not looking like this. I hope you will like this clean and cool desktop customization. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC Tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.